Former Afghan lawmaker Haji Muhammad Mohaki on Sunday said that 8 children have died of hunger in western Kabul, mainly populated by the Hazara minority, reports ANI. Poverty and hunger have killed 8 children in western Kabul, Mohaki wrote on Facebook as quoted by Russian news agency Sputnik. Mohaki added that the Taliban is not able to ensure adequate living standards for the people of Afghanistan after coming to power. He further called on the international community to help Hazaras and Shia people in Afghanistan. After the Taliban's takeover of Afghanistan, the minorities in Afghanistan are being subjected to targeted killings, violence and discrimination based on their religious and ethnic identity. Verifying human rights abuses committed by the Taliban rights group Amnesty International earlier this month documented how the Taliban massacred ethnic Hazara community members. Hazara people who practice Shia Islam make up 9% of Afghanistan's population. According to reports from the rights groups, they have been severely persecuted by the Taliban in the past. Several international groups have been sounding the alarm over the deterioration of living conditions in the country since the Taliban seized power in mid-August. Earlier this month, UN Secretary General Antonio Guterres had urged the world to take action during the make or break moment for the country. If we do not act and help Afghans weather this storm and do it soon, not only they but all the world will pay a heavy price, Guterres told journalists in New York ahead of Tuesday when G20 leading industrialized nations will meet to discuss the country embroiled in crisis. Meanwhile, a senior United Nations official has warned that millions of Afghans, including children, could die of starvation unless urgent action is taken to pull Afghanistan back from the brink of collapse, calling for frozen funds to be freed for humanitarian efforts. The World Food Programme Executive Director David Beasley told Reuters news agency that 22.8 million people, more than half of Afghanistan's 39 million population, were facing acute food insecurity and marching to starvation, compared with 14 million just 2 months ago. News Desk, Kaumudi Global.